Yeah, they tend to get all rusty.
Take those plates, really.
I really like this submarine model here. Didn't see a price on it, but it was definitely expensive.
Yeah.
Well, sure.
You know how windy it gets up there sometimes?
The one looks very similar.
But
You know.
Yeah, one of those with another.
Oh, I saw that one last time. Just Cleveland, Ohio,
Oh,
Super
yeah.
Set.
This one was for 1940. You made 65.
How much is this, the World's Fair? All of them? Well, that's not the rules. Yeah, I don't really want this one. I don't know. What do you want to ask for? No, they're all. No, those aren't World's Fair. $3? Yeah, $3. Here's some old Matchbox cards in the original packaging. I don't know, that sounds like a good price to me, $12.
Originally packaged, it came in matchboxes.
Without the
That's
packaging?
gotta be later.
1976.
I don't even remember seeing
Matchbox.
newer ones.
Matchbox came with a little cardboard matchbox. You split them open, the car was the same. They had a round rotating display with numbers. You said, I want car number 42. Mr. Liberty would go underneath and pick out 42 in the box. Put in a box. Small box.
And we've got more Matchbox in the original packages. I actually have that Matchbox, but without the packaging, without the little. I just have the truck itself.
Those are the original were in boxes in the 60s. So it's like the 80s or something. The original package.
Yeah, something like that, Labrador. Never heard of that. As a Star Wars collector, these are Star Wars photo cards from, I believe, 1980. How much it is? 50? Okay. I honestly don't know. Is $50 a good price for those? It looks like it's probably a good set. I've heard of wacky packages, but I'd never heard of these before. These are wacky bats from 1991. And I was actually collecting sports cards back in 1991, and I don't remember these at all. This was kind of neat. It's a Beatles Yellow Submarine Cooler by Igloo. No, I think it's fairly modern. Yeah, well, 2021. $40. Hey, what's up?
So take this bandage off, Dave. Since it's nerve bandage under, if I'm afraid to pull it up, I don't know if it's nerve bandage.
Here's Toy Story.
Because there could just be some claws.
Yes, and it's pretty much right.
So pull the top of the nerve bandage under it. I don't know.
And I thought this was really cool. It's in Reptiles of Florida, and it looks like something you'd get at a roadside attraction back in the 50s or 60s.
When we did, is that what it is?
I just don't know if it's the frost or what's 4 o'clock.
Yeah, I know, Kyle said he said what he wants.
What's wrong with
Mason
this?
just said
Yes.
pizza.
I didn't look at spices, I don't know if they feel there or
This is
not.
one of the wrong color, okay, all right, yeah, all right, can do that. Flintstones glasses, and I have a few of these, they all look like tree trunks. And you can't really, I mean, they're supposed to, but they all look the same. Charlie too, right, isn't it? Yeah. Was it Sunkist?
I think so.
Or is it,
I don't know.
I forget. It's actually Starkist Tuna. Sunkist is a brand of orange. No. Oh, Gaslight Village, Lake George.
What?
Forget if it's-
No, it's gonna go up for fucking
It does not. It closed in 1980.
45 years.
In the winter. But everything's closed. Hi, excuse me. This, you had it at G5? 6? Okay. 6. $6. They look pretty old. Yeah. Henry the Octopus. $10. I don't think I ever heard of it before. I just basically just touched them. And the tags all worn out.
Oh, boy.
It's part of Voltron. $35. Carrier Street, $10. This is from 1984. From JCPenney, it was $12.99. As a kid back in the 80s, I was really into the Pound Puppies. And this is a Pound Puppy newborn. I never had a newborn one. He was $6, and the carrying case, I believe, was $15. No, it's broken. No, it's missing one over here. I've said it before, but I'm a huge fan of old computer games and video games. This is Jeopardy, the new second edition for the PC, and I believe it's from the late 80s. And it's with an electronics boutique price tag on it. And then this is Jeopardy Deluxe Edition, which they bought at Goodwill for $5, and they're asking $5 for it, which is reasonable. And this is Jeopardy Deluxe Edition, also sealed in $5. So I couldn't pass these up. This was a great was $5 as well. I did pass on that though, just because I'm back early in the sports games.
President feta cheese. So fresh. So creamy.
What, some watermelon there?
No wonder it's the number one.
Make you
It's
pee.
excellent. It's president.
I give you a little?
Yeah.
NordVPN can help save lives. Today. Start enjoying credit peace of mind. Try Equifax Complete Premier with a 30-day trial for $4.95. Get credit monitoring and alerts, plus ID theft protection features. Sign up today.
It's $20, and it appears to be sealed. There's Thundercats Colorform Adventure Set is $15. And the thing about this that will worry me
Want me
with
to
that
break
is
them up more?
Excuse me. Are these yours? Snowcrest, orange flavored snow.
Hard and all that.
Huh?
I've seen a Pepsi
Hard.
Yeah. This one has a good, not a good
Does
taste.
anybody know what year that Pepsi bottle is from? From Sportsman's Paradise.
Michigan. Who the hardest?
They have to set up on Saturday because they got so much shit on wrap.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
We got what?
Where's it from? Yeah, looks like he's missing something up front. painting that's illegal, you're supposed to do the painting that Timberlake? Person product. I don't know, is there a salt and pepper shaker, or is it just?
Salt and pepper shaker, you got plenty of bottom.
Really like the same.
Oh, yeah, they both have
$45.
But the prices they put on there, they put $3 on there or something.
You probably put free.
Okay, yeah, that one.
We get a deal like in classes, so we gotta get those dividers like for Christmas ornaments, we just toss them in there, not
Because it was higher
have to
than
wrap them in
Xbox
paper and
One
shit.
3000 for 1997 in the original box. And it was very reasonably priced.
You gotta buy that, buy that.
Oh, okay.
It's the wrong book, that's the
Nice. Did you do 20? You have the vintage computer game deal that got away. Computer games from the 80s and 90s was only $60. And he ended up coming down to 50 and probably this thing was really tired and decided to pass on it, but